Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make yummy chili potato step by step. Start by boiling or parboiling potato wedges until just tender, then dry them well. Fry until golden and crisp, then toss in a sauce of soy, chili, ketchup, and a touch of sugar. Finish with sesame oil and fresh cilantro for aroma and serve immediately for best texture and flavor. Gather your ingredients and organize them before heating the pan to keep the rhythm smooth. Measure soy, chili sauce, ketchup, and sugar in a small bowl so the sauce mixes quickly. Chop garlic, ginger, and scallions finely to release their flavor. Keep a splash of sesame oil and lemon or lime nearby to finish the dish with brightness and a nutty aroma just before serving. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more recipes. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great to keep by your stove so you can sip while stirring without spills, and it fits most cup holders for easy transport. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and pick one if you want a solid kitchen companion. Now let's get back to the video. Heat oil in a heavy pan and fry the parboiled potatoes until they turn crisp and golden, then drain on paper towels. In a separate wok, sauté garlic, ginger, and chilies until fragrant. Add the prepared sauce and let it bubble briefly. Toss the fried potatoes into the sauce, coat thoroughly, and finish with sesame oil and chopped scallions to add freshness before plating for a crowd-pleasing snack.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.